In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your Facebook friends list. Open your Facebook application. Go to the settings by tapping on the three bar at the top right corner. Select settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, select settings. Scroll down to audience and visibility and select how people find and contact you. Under how people find and contact you, you can see who can see your friends list. Tap on it. If you set it to public, which will be public by default, everybody can see your friends list. If you set it to friends, only your friends on Facebook can see your friends list. Now there's another option where you can set it to friends, except you select the friends you don't want to see. Select selected friends you don't want them to see your friends list. Specific friends, you can as well select specific friends that will see your friends list. But the one I want to show you is how to hide your friends list, which is only me. When you set it at only me and you save, Facebook will not show your friends list to anybody, including your friends. So that's how to hide your friends list on Facebook. Guys, please support this video with a like, and also if today is the first day watching my video, do well to subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I drop a video like this.